Welcome back everyone to Top 10 Videos. Today we're going to be talking about the top 10 facts about cats. Fact number 1. Since cats weren't venerated in ancient Egypt, they were commonly believed to have been domesticated there. But there have been many instances of domestication as early as the Neolithic from around 9,500 years ago. A genetic study in 2007 concluded that domestic cats are descended from African wild cats, having diverged around 8000 BC in West Asia. Cats are easily one of the most popular pets in the world, and are now pretty much found in almost every place where humans live. Fact number 2. Cats have a high breeding rate. Under controlled breeding, they can be bred and shown as registered pedigree pets, a hobby known as cat fancy. Failure to control the breeding of pet cats by neutering and abandonment of former household pets has resulted in large numbers of feral cats worldwide, requiring population control. This has contributed, along with habitat destruction and other factors, to extinction of many bird species. Cats have been known to extirpate a bird species within a specific region and may have contributed to extinction of isolated island populations. Cats are thought to be primarily, though not solely, responsible for the extinction of 33 species of birds, and the presence of feral and free-ranging cats makes some locations unsuitable for attempted species establishment in otherwise suitable locations. Fact number 3. A group of cats is referred to as a clowder or a glaring. A male cat is called a tom or a tomcat, or even a gib if it is neutered. An unaltered female is called a queen, and a prepubescent juvenile is referred to as a kitten. Although spayed females have no commonly used name, in some rare instances an immature or spayed female is referred to as a molly. The male progenitor of a cat, especially a pedigree cat, is its sire, and its female progenitor is its dam. In early modern English, the word kitten was interchangeable with the now obsolete word catlin. Fact number 4. Behaviorists believe the original function of purring was to enable a kitten to tell his mother that all is well. This often occurs during nursing though. Kitten can't meow and nurse at the same time, but it can purr and nurse without any problem. The mother often purrs back, reassuring the kitten, using this tactile resonant communication. This is usually why your cat purrs when petted, instinctively giving the signal all is well, a message you can both feel and hear. This is another reason why some cats may purr. All the cats purr when they play or approach other cats, signaling they are friendly and want to come closer. Cats also purr when they are distressed or afraid. Sick and injured cats and those in vets' office often purr, that this is the cat's way of reassuring and calming themselves. Fact number 5. The cat's skull is unusual among mammals in having very large eye sockets and a powerful and specialized jaw. Within the jaw, cats have teeth adapted for killing prey and tearing meat. When it overpowers its prey, a cat delivers a lethal neck bite with its 2 long canine teeth, inserting them between 2 of the prey's vertebrae and severing its spinal cord, causing irreversible paralysis and death. Compared to other felines, domestic cats have narrowly spaced canine teeth, which is an adaptation to their preferred prey of small rodents, which have small vertebrae. The premolar and first molar, the carnassial pair on each side of the mouth, which efficiently shears meat into small pieces, like a pair of scissors. These are vital in feeding, since cats' small molars cannot chew food effectively. Fact number 6. Cats, like dogs, digitigrades. They work directly on their toes, with the bones of their feet making up the lower part of the visible leg. Cats are capable of walking very precisely, because like all felines, they directly register, that is, they place each hind paw directly in the print of the corresponding forepaw and visible tracks. This also provides sure footing for their hind paws when they navigate through rough terrain. Unlike most mammals, when cats walk they use a pacing gait, that is, they move the 2 legs on one side of the body before the legs on the other side. This trait is shared with camels and giraffes. As a walk speeds up into a trot, a cat's gait changes to be a diagonal gait, similar to that of most other mammals and many other land animals such as lizards. The diagonally opposite hind and fore legs move simultaneously. Fact number 7. Like almost all members of the Felidae, cats have protractable and retractable claws. In a normal relaxed position, the claws are sheathed with a skin and fur around the paw's toe pads. This keeps the claws sharp by preventing wear from contact with the ground and allows the silent stalking of prey. The claws on the forefeet are typically sharper than those on the hind feet. Cats can voluntarily extend their claws on 1 or more paws. They may extend their claws in hunting or self-defense, climbing, kneading, or for extra traction on soft surfaces. Most cats have 5 claws in the front paws and 4 in their rear paws. If the 5th front claw, the dew claw, is proximal to the other claws, more proximally is a protrusion which appears to be a 6th finger. This special feature of the front paws on the inside of the wrist is a carpal pad, also found on the paws of big cats and of dogs. It has no function in normal walking, but it is thought to be an anti-skidding device used while jumping. Some breeds of cats are prone to polydactyly, which is extra toes and claws. These are particularly common along the northeast coast of North America. Fact number 8. Cats are familiar and easily kept animals, and their physiology has been particularly well studied. It generally resembles those of other carnivorous mammals, but displays several unusual features, probably attributes to cats descend from desert-dwelling species. For instance, cats are able to tolerate quite high temperatures. Humans generally start to feel uncomfortable when their skin temperature passes about 38 degrees. But cats show no discomfort until their skin reaches around 52 degrees and can tolerate temperatures of up to 56 degrees if they have access to water. Fact number 9. Cats conserve heat by reducing the flow of blood to their skin and lose heat by evaporation through their mouths. Cats have minimal ability to sweat, with glands located primarily in their paw pads and for heat relief only at very high temperatures, but may also pant when stressed. A cat's body temperature does not vary throughout the day. This is part of cats' general lack of circadian rhythms, and may reflect their tendency to be active both during the day and at night. Cats' feces are comparatively dry and the urine is highly concentrated, but for which are adaptations to allow cats to retain as much water as possible. Their kidneys are so efficient, they can survive on a diet consisting only of meat with no additional water, and can even rehydrate by drinking seawater. Fact number 10. Cats have excellent night vision and can see at only 1/6 the light level required for human vision. This is partly the result of cats' eyes having a tapetum lucidium, which reflects any light that passes through the retina back into the eye, thereby increasing the eye's sensitivity to dim light. Another adaptation to dim light is the large pupils of cats' eyes. Unlike some big cats, such as tigers, domestic cats have slit pupils. These slit pupils can focus bright light without chromatic aberration, and are needed since the domestic cat's pupils are much larger, relative to their eyes, than the pupils of the big cats. Indeed, at low light levels, a cat's pupils will expand to cover most of the exposed surface of its eyes. However, domestic cats have rather poor color vision, and, like non-primate mammals, have only 2 types of cones, optimized for sensitivity to blue and yellowish green. They have limited ability to distinguish between red and green. A 1993 paper reported a response to middle wavelengths from a system other than the rods, which might be due to a 3rd type of cone. However, this appears to be an adaptation to low light levels rather than representing true trichromatic vision. And that's it for today's top 10 video. Hopefully you learned something new, and yeah, if you have a suggestion for a new video which I can do, just leave them in the comments below. And yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.